How to enable scrolling using two fingers on the touchpad of this Dell laptop. It's Latitude E7440. Here's a window, and usually if I went above it with the cursor, I could use two fingers and it was scrolling the window up and down, and now it's not doing it. So to fix that problem, open a File Explorer window. You can use your finger because it's a touch screen on this laptop. File Explorer, go to your C drive, go to Program Files, not the x86 but the simple one, double tap on Program Files. Go to DellTPad, on this laptop it should be installed, DellTPad, and here we have Apoint. So is that one, Apoint. Double tap on it. Now we have an icon down here, that gray one, and let's close this window, and using two fingers, not just one, now you can use two fingers and it's scrolling up and down. And when you are touching the touchpad, here in the lower right corner, if you open that up arrow, there's the gray icon, and when you touch the touchpad it is displaying a blue small icon. When I release it, it's not displaying it. Now it's blue, now it's not blue, so it's detecting the touching on the touchpad. Now it's blue, now it's not blue. Blue again because I'm touching it, and not blue because I released it. You can also right click on that icon and touchpad properties, and here you have more options: sensitivity, buttons, gestures, and so on.